make ice cream for the customers and collect coins. Use coins to decorate the ice cream truck. Welcome to the cocobi ice cream truck.
Ugh, it's so hot today.
Choose an ice cream. Pour in the ingredient. Choose a syrup flavor. Let's make beet ice cream. Choose a bowl. Let's make cotton candy. Decorate and make the ice cream look delicious. Ta-da! All done! Enjoy the ice cream!
Yum. Yum. Yum.
It tastes good. It's delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah!